What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like button for the YouTube algorithm, and do not forget to subscribe. So we are back with one of these days that scare a lot of retail investors. If you've been around the block a few times, you understand that today is a beautiful buying opportunity in the market. So looking at the global crypto market cap, it is at $930 billion right now, down 4.7%. Now, what I like to see with these types of times is the fact that we get discounts more than 10% in the market on our favorite crypto assets. So we're going to take a look at that. We're also going to talk about the key critical support level that I told y'all that as long as we hold this level, we should be fine. And as y'all can see, you know, y'all that had those buy orders set at that level, they got filled. Congratulations on that. And we're going to talk about a little Shiba Inu technical analysis. So let's get into this. Let me show y'all the chart real quick. Okay, so we can see here it is down 4.7%. We got Bitcoin at 19,417. To see the overall market down this far, all the rest of the crypto assets and Bitcoin still kind of holding strong around this 19,000 level, you know, it really doesn't have me too worried. Although Bitcoin is down 10% in the last week, nothing more than a buying opportunity for smart money, institutional money, to pack their bags. So, you know, it's not financial advice. You know, it never is. Always remember to do your own diligence and due diligence and never risk more than you're willing to lose. But this would be a time where people are packing bags. So let's take a look at Ethereum real quick. Ethereum is at 1335. We know Ethereum was at once upon a time around 45, I think 4,800. So this is a, you know, technically a $5,000 asset right now that people are have the possibility to buy it for $1,300. There's going to come a point in time where you will remember these prices and you know, you'll wish to have the opportunity to buy it for this again. You know, that's speculating because I'm bullish on the overall crypto currency, the overall crypto market, but it is down 8.2% right now and down 24% on the week. That is an absolute steal when you're looking at it from a long-term perspective. We got BNB at 266, an absolute steal. Always tell y'all, Bitcoin, I believe one day will be around, or not Bitcoin, BNB will be around $5,000 one day. I expect that in the future. That's why I buy BNB. BNB at 266 right now, down 4.2% for the day, but 9.7% on the week. So you got to remember that as well. Sometimes, you know, we like to buy those days where we get the 10%, or, you know, really we pull the trigger. You know, well, me personally, I'm really pulling the trigger at 15%, but days like this on Shiba Inu at 10%, I definitely want to take advantage. But BNB down 9.7% for the week. Somebody who's, you know, looking at a long-term perspective, that might not be a bad buying opportunity. Even though it isn't down 10% for the day, still having it down 10% for the week is still very valuable. XRP 35 cent, down 4.2%. Cardano at 44 cent, down 7.6%. We're really seeing a lot of these prices, you know, kind of range around, you know, low levels that they have before. This isn't anything new. If you've been in the space for the last few months, we've seen these prices before. So don't, you know, always let just the red scare you. The red should also, you know, be an indicator for you to, you know, start looking for those discounts. We got Solana at $31, down 7.3%, also down 10.8% for the week. Cardano down 12% for the week. Dogecoin down 9.5% for the week, down 6.8% on the day, sitting at 57 cents. We got Polkadot at $6.44, down 8.2% on the day, but discounted 16% for the week. So Polygon 75 cents. We already know this will be over $1, down 8% for the day, down 15% for the week. Absolute steal. And then we got Shiba Inu right now down 10.3% on the day, down 17% for the week, almost 20% off from what people were paying, you know, a week ago. This is what happens, you know, the prices go up and they go down. This is all natural. You don't be afraid of this. Don't get shaken out of the market because of this. So right now, Shiba Inu at that 1066 level, this is a level that I told y'all, you know, we were watching for. That is a critical level. As long as we can hold this range here, I told y'all, as long as we can hold this 1,000 range, we should be fine. Now take a look. Let's look in closer. Notice how the price bounced right down to this 1,000 range, and smart money stepped in and bought the price all the way back up to right here. This is the level I told y'all about, and this is what other people, you know, who understand technical analysis can watch out for too. Now, people took that as a buying opportunity. They didn't get afraid when that happened. Let's take a look at a few of our indicators and see, you know, how they're looking. So first off, we got our Bollinger Band. We could see when that price breakdown happened to the 1,000 level, it was outside of the lower Bollinger Band. So all the people who got the purchase down here, they either had those buy orders timed, buy orders set at that 1,000 level right away, so they were smart and got filled, or they were just at the perfect time to time it. But then we could see that the price is still held underneath the lower Bollinger Band. So if you are watching this right now and you didn't get the opportunity to take advantage of this, then this is an absolute steal. We know that anytime the price trades under this lower line, it is considered very cheap for the price. We know that smart money is likely to step in at this level. We know the price 90 to 95% wants to trade between these two ranges right here. So when we see the price down under this range, this is a mega deal. Mega deal. Of course, the price can always drop lower, and if we break this support, then we got to analyze everything. But to get it right now at this level, we can see a surge of volume kick in out of nowhere. Remember, Shiba Inu is coming in 12 days. We got 12 days, almost to that point where we're down 1 week. A lot of people are forgetting about this. A lot of people don't have a lot of attention span when it comes to these markets, and they forget about a lot of things. But I just want y'all to be prepared. I think this is that pullback before we see, that push up. Let's see. Even from where we are right now, if you didn't take advantage, the people that, if you had your order set, if you had those buy orders already set, that's already a 7% gain just from having the buy order set to where it is right now. This is why you want to get familiar with, limit orders and whatnot. So this way you can set the order to buy if the price drops down to this range, your order automatically gets filled. So now everyone that had that happen is up 7% right now. But let's say for the ones who didn't catch that, where we are right now to where our upper Bollinger Band is 26.2%. So imagine the ones that got the 7% plus this 26% once the price hits back to this 13.5 level. That's an additional 33% gain right there. And this is what we're seeing take place. People are taking profits. This is why y'all always hear me say, have a strategy prepared. I don't tell you have to take profits, but this is why y'all always hear me talking about people taking profits. This is why I tell you, don't be upset if other people are taking profits, because people are going to do it. It's up to you. If you want to just diamond hand and hold for a specific amount of time, that's fine. But just understand that, the price is going to be, ranging in between it. People are going to be buying, people are going to sell it. So people are going to be selling, so it's not just going to take off to the price that you want to see it go to. But that's all we got for this video. I'll keep y'all updated on everything. You just don't want to think about it. If you were buying in that 12 range right now, to get the opportunity to buy it right here at this 10 range before it's back at the 12 range, and this is just speculating. This is if you're bullish on it, you believe that Shiba Inu will be a plus to it, you believe that the metaverse will be a plus and help push the price forward, then we know that this is a cheap price. Of course, the price could break down further. We could see the price in this 9 range. Let's say if we break this 9, the 1,000 range, worst case scenario, I see it going back to around that 7 level if it broke that range. That's what the chart is saying right here. We will probably be testing this area, but that would even be more of a buying opportunity to get more aggressive for those that have a long-term outlook. A lot of coins equals a lot more money once the price actually breaks out. So I'm DecemberDeMarco. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.